All right, what about number 7 on that same parabola worksheet, 19-1? All right, they give me the vertex and a y-intercept. So what does that mean? Well, again, I think a picture is worth 10 cubed words. So -8, -7 is right there, right? And then the y-intercept is way, way, way down here at -135. So 0, 135. So the parabola looks something like that. Now, why is that helpful to visualize? Because I now know that this is opening up and down, or it's an x squared equation, right? The ones we're used to, y squareds open left and right, but this one opens up and down. So I know what a formula to use. X minus h squared equals 4p y minus k. There's my equation, right? Now we got to fill it in and give some info. Well, great news. They gave me the vertex, which is h and k, right? This is h and this is k. So that's x plus 8 squared equals 4p and then y plus 7. Dang it, all I need is p, and I wish I had some way to find it, so I'm stuck and I quit. Just kidding. We never do. There's always one more piece of information. Notice I did not use the y-intercept. That is the point 0, -135. So I know that's on this equation. So I know this is the equation, and I know that point has to be on it. So I could probably say, hey, look, let's put that point in there, like 0 plus 8 squared. Wow, my writing is really looking like I'm not in school. 4p and then -135 plus 7. So, wow, that's going to be some big numbers. 8 squared is 64. And then I have 4p, which is just 4p. And then -135 plus 7 is -128. All right. And now just got to take care of it and solve for p, and I get my final answer. So I'm going to do 64 divided by 4 divided by -128, and I'll have my answer once Sheila wakes up. 4 times 128 is 400. Too long, Sheila. Close, I don't care. 64 divided by 4 divided by 128, and I know it's negative, so I'm going to make sure I do that. Oh, can't push my button. Look at all the work I have to go through here. Just a challenge. Is 125, which if you don't know, that's a nice fraction, but I can go change to fraction and say, hey, look, it's 1/8. And so p is equal to -1/8. And so there you have your p. So now you can finish up your equation. It is x plus 8 squared equals 4 times -1/8. Y plus 7. Now, that's not the prettiest it could look, right? So I could go x plus 8 squared equals, now that's 4/8, so -1/2. Y plus 7, that looks a little better. If you want, you can FOIL it all out and get it all on one side, and that would look like general form, and that'd be exciting too. Hey, stay happy.